Good morning and welcome to Morning Conversations with Mika. Sobrang raw ng podcast na to, but basically I made this to debrief with myself. Because I do morning pages sa journal ko and ito na yung parang debrief ko sa sarili ko and also to remember the everyday conversations with myself. So, meron ako dito yung journal ko. And for today, I wrote here na I'm so scared. Kasi feeling ko ang liit-liit ko. And I feel weak. But I also know na strong ako and magaling ako. So, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na I really need to work on that one. Yung ang dami ko iniisip, but also, alam ko naman sa sarili ko kung ano yung kakayahan ko, di ba? It's only us. Ano ba tama? It's only us who will know our capacity and tayo lang din magdidictate kung ano yung gagawin natin sa mundong to. Then, naglagay ako dito ng mga things that I need to work on. So, di ko na sabihin kung ano yung mga yun. Pero isa doon ay really my systems in terms of work. Because I feel like masyado ako naglay low or masyado ako naging nasa feminine side ko nung latter part ng 2025. It's not bad, pero meron din akong parang guilt in me na shocks na wala ko yung masculine side, so I don't know how to operate na in that sense. But I'm also thankful na nangyari sa akin yun and natap ko din yung feminine side ko in that sense. Then, I read my devotion after writing sa journal ko, and it says, Romans 12 verse 2, Do not conform to the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will. Grabe lang na ito talaga yung devotion ko today. Ang galing talaga ng word ni Lord na lagi ka talaga niya kinakausap. As in, this is my first day of work for 2026. Kaya feeling ko na anxiety ako with all the things. And first time ko lang din ulit na magta-tap into my masculine side. That's why nagkaroon din ako ng urge to do this podcast. I was supposed to do this. Sorry, morning brain fog. I was supposed to do this latter part ng 2025, but I didn't have the courage to do it. Dinadoubt ko talaga sarili ko. But today, I don't know if mapopost to or whatever. Di ko din alam kung kailan. But, ito na to. So, ayun, nilagay ko dito na what are the patterns of the world? What are the patterns of the world for me? Ano siya para sa akin? So, nilagay ko dito ay yung paulit-ulit na pag-discourage and paniniwala na hindi mo kaya. When in reality, kaya mo naman talaga. And you've already proven yourself many times in the past na kaya mo. At kinakaya mo talaga, di ba? Tapos, pangalawa ay huwag ko na sabihin to. Ito na lang. Yung paniniwala na meron talagang hierarchy sa mundo. When in reality, pantay-pantay lang naman talaga tayo sa mata ng Diyos. Tao lang ang gumagawa ng hierarchy. And ako kasi, hindi ako nag-force to believe this. But ako, ang paniniwala ko ay, in the eyes of God, we are all equal. Kasi pantay-pantay lang din pagmamahal niya. Kaya ang opportunity sa mundo ay pantay-pantay lang din. Whoever you believe in, the universe, Allah, whatever it is, hindi ko pipigilan yun. I respect it and I hope you can also respect my belief. Lately lang din ako naniwala, honestly. But I feel like kaya ako naniniwala kay God is because sa kanya ko talaga nakita or sa kanya ko narinig, sa kanya ko naramdaman na whatever it is that I'm going through, is valid and I've been taken care of in the past by him, and still inaalagaan niya pa din ako until now. So, sorry. So, ayun, nilagay ko din na how do I transform this to change me? Nilagay ko na always believe that I can do it and really do the work. Show up talaga. Second is regulate the nervous system. Super important nito for me. Nafe-feel ko talaga na bumabalik yung anxiety ko or nag-overthink ako pag sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nag-regulate ng nervous system. Just like today. Kasi during the holiday break, nag-break talaga ako ng routines ko din, which is my morning routine and my night routine. I do meditation. I do meditation, I journal, I work out, I read my book morning. Then sa gabi, nagme-meditate din ako and journal. Ang di ko lang na-break na pattern for the holiday break is my morning devotion. Kaya feeling ko kahit papano, I'm still okay. But nag-hit na sa akin nung nag-first day of work na ako and thinking about it, shocks, na anxiety talaga si ate girl. So, ayun. So, nilagay ko dito na I need to go back to my morning routine. Ayun lang. Gusto ko lang i-record din tong conversations with myself. Just because gusto ko na balikan ko to in the coming months or maybe next year. Because I feel like yung mga ganitong bumpy roads or challenges whenever I don't regulate my nervous system are also the things and the patterns that I need to break in order for me to be expansive. Ay lang. I hope meron kayo nakuha. Shock, sana ma-post ko to. Oh well. Yun lang. Bye!